Starting around 06 October 2023, Nexo by and large is exchanging at 55 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. Nexo certainly has a complete market cap of $310,408,429, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,528,245, so Nexo generally has a for the most part all-out market cap of $310,408,429, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,528,245 in a significant manner. This sort of makes Nexo by and large positioning at 97 in the cryptographic money market, which most certainly is very critical. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo really be especially worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical? Is Nexo in every way that really matters, wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Nexo cost especially outperform its record-breaking high, which explicitly is genuinely critical? These for the most part are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost truly is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of 76 cents. The normal for the most part least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to in a real sense be 72 cents, which certainly is very critical. In addition, Nexo can truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of 81 cents, so Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost in every practical sense is supposed to essentially cross a sort of normal value level of 76 cents, the normal all things considered. Least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the very current year ought to especially be 72 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. Nexo value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo essentially is the Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of 69 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo truly is supposed to in every practical sense be at around at least 66 cents, which really is genuinely huge. Nexo cost can basically arrive at a truly limit of 72 cents, with the by and large normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars, so on the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo generally be for the most part worth in 2023, which certainly is very critical. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents in an unpretentious manner. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around 71 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Nexo value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo truly is most certainly anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of 74 cents. While the coin could exchange between an in every way that really matters limit of 78 cents and a genuinely least of 72 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo fundamentally is supposed to be at around a sort of least of 72 cents, which essentially is very critical. Nexo cost can explicitly arrive at a very limit of 81 cents, with the truly normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, so Nexo cost can essentially arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 81 cents, with the by and large normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, which especially is very huge. Nexo past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been explicitly diminished by 0.34% in its exceptionally current worth, exhibiting how truly is Nexo an especially wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they really thought. Assuming we sort of analyze the very current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, which generally is genuinely huge. Nexo, in every way that really matters, is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, showing how Nexo kind of passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been basically diminished by 0.34% in its most certainly current worth. Exhibiting how for the most part is Nexo an especially wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is very critical. The Nexo generally is down to nearly 0.23% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for sort of past genuinely couple of days. The coin could basically have most areas of strength, for certainly at the same time, we don't fundamentally feel that it would a productive resource in especially present moment, which basically shows that Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents in a very enormous manner. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo sort of diminished by 22.950%. Wiping out an astounding commonly normal amount of 17 cents from its extremely current worth in a sort of enormous manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be an excellent basically purchase a potential open door for especially speedy speculation, showing the way that Nexo cost can for the most part arrive at a limit of 72 cents with the by and large normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars. So assuming you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo be genuinely worth in 2023, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change generally is near 34.16%, and the cost basically circled from a for the most part least kind of typical cost of 79 cents to genuinely greatest certainly normal cost of 86 cents in the very beyond 90 days, showing how Nexo value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo is gauged to in every way that really matters. Be at around a base worth of 61 cents in a quite huge manner. Nexo for the most part is somewhere around 25.09%. With the kind of greatest sort of normal cost of the coin essentially was around 67 cents, and the by and large least fundamentally normal cost of truly was around 65 cents in lovely beyond 4 months, so Nexo genuinely passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been in every practical sense diminished by 0.34% in its truly current worth, showing how truly is Nexo a truly wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner. Nexo value conjecture 2023 facts. What will fundamentally be Nexo essentially worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost truly is estimated to essentially